Welcome to the another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about a string. Strings are used for storing text or collection of characters. A string variable contains collection of characters or text surrounded by double quotes or single quote. You have to include another header file in the code, the string library. You have to add this line in your program. To create a string variable, we have to specify the string type before the string variable name. Then we have to assign the text or collection of characters to the string type variable. When we create an integer variable, we have to write int and variable name and assign the value. Same like this data, we have to type a string and variable name and text or collection of characters assigned to that variable. So this is the format, a string name equal to dear programmer in double quote. So this is a variable name, this is a string type, and I have assigned the value dear program in this. Or this is another way to declare a string variable, a string name and in bracket double quotes dear programmer. But first one is mostly used. This will create a variable of string type and assign text to the variable, which is surrounded by the double quotes. If have numbers in the string, so these will not added, but these will concatenate. Because the strings are not integer or float, these are just characters. And if I assign the value string variable numbers, so this will understand a string, not a number. So this will not add these numbers. So I have created a variable string first name equal to dear and string last name programmer, and I have created another variable string full name, first name plus last name. This is adding first name and last name and assign the value to full name. So this is called concatenation. This plus operator can be used between two strings or more strings to add them. So the dear and programmer will be connected and will be assigned to the full name variable. So let's do this in the program. To use include library string. So I will create a string variable name equal to dear programmer, and I will print this. So let's run this. So I have created a variable string type of name and assign the value dear programmer. You can just call the value, or better way is call this string or text. And if I do this dear first name and then last name programmer, and I will create another full name variable. I will connect first name and last name. So let's run this. So dear programmer, dear and programmer, they don't have a space, they are connected, and that's not good because I have connected dear and programmer. So I have to give a space. So in between two variables, I have to give in a string which is in just empty space. So Now that's good, looking good. So as I told you, if I use numbers in this and I will add them. So let's leave the variable names. Just check this. So this is 10 and 30. This is not adding them because I have used a plus operator, but in this way, in the string, plus operator is used to concatenate two strings, not numbers. So this will not add them, but this concatenate these values 10 and 30 because compiler thinks these are just a string, not an integer variable. So that's all for today. We will learn more about strings in the next videos.